Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be trying to recreate the Phantom mask look by Nikkietutorials.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki.
Hello.
Me and my big sister watch Nikkietutorials videos. Shout out to Nikki if you're watching.
I'm dead.
Woo! Today is gonna be a fun one. So
Let's get started. So first I'm going to draw the outline of the mask. Just going to go up and around. Let's go to We're going to be applying the Estee Lauder foundation. Nikki used Lancome. I'm going to apply it with this small one. Okay. Keep on blending. So I'm just going to now blend the foundation that I just put on. And I just want to dab it all across the eye. I'm going to use foundation for concealer because I ran out. And we're just going to apply that under the eye. You don't want to put a lot on though. And now you just want to blend that into the foundation. And after that, you want to do the eye. I'm going to be using this Urban Decay palette alongside this Makeup Revolution Pro. I'm just going to get Boom, the shade blue with Bloom. Boom. Okay. And next, with the same brush, we're going to be using Believer, I believe. Get it? You know. We're just going to put that near the blue. Okay. So I used Believer for the green. I used Boom for the blue, the light blue, and I'm now going to be using Underdog from the Makeup Palette Pro there. And you just want to put that amongst the green. You can use a mixture of Daydream and You Day. And then we're going to be doing Underdog again, and we're going to be using that Niaya, but not to Niaya. Okay, that's fine. And then we're going to be using a little bit of purple, as she used. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that just there. Good. Now I'm done with the eye. Pretty messed up. Now I'm going to focus on the top with yellow. So you just want to go on the top. I am using New Day from the Makeup Palette Pro. So once you've built it up to that, you should have a mixture of colours that you'd like. And now I'm going to go in with the concealer again. And we're going to just cut only a little bit, and we're just going to cut the crease
we're cutting the crease.
Using this flat brush, and you just want to kind of just get that to go. Lightly cut the crease near the edge of the iron to just build it up. Next, so after you've done your eye and your concealer, what you're going to do is I am going to try attempt a wing eyeliner for the first time. Attempt, yes. If you ask me, I think that went pretty well. Now I'm going to do the highlight. I'm going to just use bronzer around and just around the face. I'm going to then set with banana powder, my obsession, makeup obsession, and it's banana powder. So after that, you're going to use the powder, and I'm going to use that to set the under eye. Done. Apply my mascara while letting this bake. So first of all, I'm going to be using this French Connection mascara. Now I'm going to use Benefit They're Real mascara, just to put some volume in the whole makeup look. Done. Now I'm going to curl my eyes. Curl my So after you've now done that, it should have baked, and I've done my eyeliner. Curled it. And now I'm going to go in with the blush over, like, to let it bake. I'm going to be using this large powder brush. And you can really go in any shade. I'm going in like a light pinkish, sparkly shade. And you just want to get that. You want to smile. You might want to go in two. So now you're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. You can get it in different shades. You can get Starburst, Golden Bronze, Bubblet, and Dripping in Gold. The shade I'm going to be using with this brush, small brush, is I'm just going to go in with Bubblet. And you just want to go on your nose, up on your forehead, smile. Done. Next I'm going to be using the Garnier Makeup Remover just to get everything that's gone outside the mask, and I'm going to do that off camera. Next, from the Makeup Revolution Pro palette, what you're going to need to do is you're going to want to mix a little bit of Haunted and Upper Hand. So you got Haunted and Upper Hand. And you just want to go around around the mask. Let's get over. I'm just gonna go just to make it look like something's happened. You want to buff out. Okay, I think we've done it. Next, you want to use this MAC lipstick. The lines. You want it to make it like. You need to concentrate. I'm going to use this brush just to neaten the makeup up a bit and the lipstick. By the lipstick because it's gone pretty wrong. Okay, that's done. And you're done. This was hard. It was very hard. I want to say a thank you to the camera person and Bambs. Stay tuned for more recreation videos. Like, subscribe, share. Bye.